and this is my unboxing of the automatic Bambino watch that I just bought from Amazon, and believe me, I bought it with a very special offer because I just paid 130 euros. Now, why do we buy a watch like this one? Of course, this is not an investment, we all know that. But the watch is so beautiful, it's so well made, and this vintage look, very fiddle to the late 50s and early 60s, you know, it's so well done. I like the black dial. There are several colors you could choose from, but the black dial for me it's much more classy. The only thing I really don't like too much is this strap. In fact, I think I will buy a pure leather alligator type strap typical of the 60s. Very nice. And here is the effect of this black dial. It's a metal black dial with a very nice treatment. Cool detailing. Look at this. If you like the video, subscribe or put your like or leave a comment. Thanks.